All right, up on a townhouse in Chesapeake Beach, Maryland, right on the water. So nice. Just did some repairs for a business acquaintance. It's quick and easy. This thing is under contract and about to be sold, or is under contract. So we just did some tuning up. Looks like newer shingles, but they did not do new skylight flashing kits or new skylights. So you can see here, see the screws missing. So this side of the house isn't leaking though, but you know, that's why you want to replace the skylights. Look at that, the seal's busted, but no drywall's damaged down there. Let's see what this one looks like. Not as bad. This one has all its screws.